we're gonna be cooking some short ribs. Chairman's Reserve. You see that? Dino bones, baby. Look at this. We're not gonna touch anything on the back. We're gonna trim up the front kind of nicely, the top. These should be luscious. What we're gonna do is we're gonna season them up with Big Poppa's Double Secret. Let the salts melt a little bit, let it sweat. This really requires minimal trimming. Now while we wait for the seasoning to set in a little bit, I'm gonna make a Korean style marinade. Maybe about a couple hours in the refrigerator, then we'll go to the Santa Maria. So let's flip this over. Look at that marbling. These are gonna be really fun. Oh my gosh. You know, the funniest part about that is it's just two of us eating tonight. Double Secret is just a wonderful steak rub. It's got garlic, it's got pepper, salt, paprika, you name it. The little secret it's got is citrus. I'm gonna clean up what I like to call overspray. So now let's get finished. This stuff comes over here and relaxes, and we'll get set up for the marinade. I'll see you in just a little bit. Okay, let's make this marinade. We have a cup of soy right here. Half a cup of water, quarter cup of mirin. Got a half small onion. Asian pear, let's chop this up. The pear gives it flavor, but also gives it enzyme and helps tenderize the meat. Do about 6 cloves of little garlic, baby garlic. Half a teaspoon of Double Secret in there. And now 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Cup of hard-packed brown sugar. Oh yes. He's a happy man, Poppa is. Very happy. We put him in here. Not quite half, but this is enough to do what I want to do the rest of the recipe. Tie it up and refrigerate it for a couple hours. Look at these bad boys. We're going to be cooking these top side 40 minutes, back side 40 minutes. And we should get in close to our temperature there, but we'll find out. I'm gonna see you in 40 minutes. Okay, let's flip them over. It's gonna be beautiful. Another 40 minutes, I'll be back. Look at that. That's some beauties. I'll show you what I do when we get in the house. Very excited. Hot. Look at these beauties. We're gonna turn the meat side down, get them as close as possible so we can wrap it good. A little bit of that sauce and make it some braising liquid. Now we're going to put this layer over it. I'm gonna put it in half pan. And I'm putting it in the oven. And it's probably gonna take about another hour, hour and a half. And I'll be with you with it. We'll make the sauce, we'll make the noodles, and we'll make a really beautiful dish for you. It's time to put the dish together. Let's start with the noodles. These are from David Chang, Momofuku. And this is his soy noodle dressing. So I'll put some of that in there. Another package of scallions. I know it's dried, but it's David Chang, so I'm gonna do it. Who's gonna argue with David Chang? I have to toss it around good. Oh, it broke it up nicely. Did somebody say dino bones? Oh, here we go. Look how it's just coming off the bone. Couldn't be any nicer. Just slicing them for presentation, and I haven't sampled any of them. We're gonna present it and then I'm gonna eat it like there's no tomorrow. Okay, never mind, I tried it. Oh boy, that's good. Oh boy. Okay, this is the real fun part. What are the rest of you guys gonna eat when I finish this up? I took the sauce and I thickened it slightly with a little cornstarch. So what I'm gonna do is do a drizzle. Okay, here's the finishing touches. Nice green onions. They came out very nicely. One last thing. Open sesame. There you have it. Big Poppa's, short ribs, Korean barbecue marinade, David Chang noodles. Easy, and I can't wait for you to try it at home.